Ranger, and guess what? It's yours!
Come on down!
Johnny Red, Four Ranger.
I bought it for you today.
Somerville, you're the greatest sis ever, and you deserve the best. Mom, hey Dad, meet Somerville. Guess what? You're the greatest sis ever, and you deserve the greatest.
Do you like your trick?
I really do.
Do you like your trick?
You took an
I
arrow.
guess what? You took an arrow to the knee.
Put this hat on.
Now go check your truck out.
Go check your truck out.
No slacker hat.
Go check your truck out.
And you're on film. Mind the profanity.
Hi. How's it going? I think it's going pretty good.
Here it is.
I accidentally locked the door. Oh. God. Wow.
Take pictures, because I can't. You're too busy
Where's
crying.
Krista?
Hi, how are you? Fine, how are you?
It's Roxanne. Where's Krista?
She's pulling the car up further because she was hesitant to come near your truck.
Step out of the way real quick, Daniel.
Oh!
Somerville, smile.
Mom, let me see your camera. Do you have the flashlight app on it?
I don't know. You can.
Oh, do you not?
It's past my sweet 16.
No, it's not. Your whole 16 years, your sweet 16.
Flashlight now? I have.
Get flashlight. You have to get flashlight.
I've been crying since you left.
What did she do when she got here?
Somerville,
She just pulled up right before y'all did.
Yeah, we tried to get here sooner. We really did. That's Krista, we ran out of the house.
this is better than getting out of jail.
Look what
in
Somerville
Skyrim.
bought. Yeah, I know. Nice toy, huh?
Somerville, how about a big smile and a thumbs up so I can stop filming? And say a couple of words.
Thank you. That's a couple of words. Thank you. That's 2 words. Thank you. Thank
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. Thank you. 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 Thank you.
Wait, Somerville and I